Good morning. So today is Monday. Happy Monday. Looking very gloomy, very dark. I mean, that's the reality of living in New Jersey in the wintertime. But today I am going to an improv class with one of my friends that I met at an event, I think a few years ago. Her name is Danielle, Danny Dares on YouTube and I believe on Instagram. We're going to an improv class tonight, so that should be interesting. So I am just getting ready, kind of over these twists. I think I'm going to take them out, so you guys should be seeing some wash day diaries soon, maybe, kind of. Because I have a lot going on, so I can't promise that. But definitely thinking about taking these out soon. But in the meantime, I am just going to put on a little bit of makeup. Just going to do my eyebrows. And my skin has been acting up lately from the makeup that I've been wearing. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do like eyebrows, liner, mascara. And yeah. I think I'm going to change my shirt too, because this is just giving me, it's just really drab right now. So yeah, I am about to do that, head to work, and then in the evening, I'm going to this improv class. So I will bring you guys along with me. But first, breakfast, I had a salad. Now I'm having a smoothie, a green smoothie. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm dressed, heading out to work. I changed my shirt. I guess I'll show you guys my outfit, even though it's pretty much it's nothing new. Yeah, I know it's nothing new around these parts when it comes to my outfits. But I just have on my gold earrings, red lipstick, liner, mascara, brows, nothing else on my face. This little crop turtleneck with these high waist denim jeans, which I love. Got them from Zara. And I'm probably just gonna put on either my black and white Air Max Nikes or just my black ankle booties because I want to be comfortable. Probably gonna be doing a lot of like walking and running around today. So yeah, that is my outfit. Nothing special, guys. Nothing to see here. So yeah, I am about to head out. I will see you guys once I get to where I'm going. Hey guys, so I am on my way right now to Collar, the improv class. It is in Koreatown, as you can see. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm late and I'm also nervous. But we'll see how this goes. I'll try to record as much as I can. I don't know how much or if any I'll be able to record in there, but hopefully I can record something and I'll definitely bring you guys along. Here we go.
I hate people who chew with their mouth open.
Here.
That's actually the problem. Isn't quite good enough.
Is it my red nail polish or?
You know, actually it's not the nail polish. I don't mind nail polish. See, I have like a purple color on it.
And my lipstick.
It's not that either. It's actually, you've just been coming in late. Often?
How late is late?
Anytime after the time you're supposed to. Do you remember what your schedule is?
I do. It's 9 to sometimes 4, and sometimes maybe 3. Depends on how I feel that day. But when we do that.
So how about like in the morning when you get here? Like I know that you come in around like 9:30, 10 sometimes. Is there a reason?
The MTA.
I understand. So do you have any other days to get here?
I
Or
mean,
the bike or skateboard?
no.
Hey guys, so this is Danny. Can you tell them where they can find you?
Sure, I am Danny Dares on Instagram and Twitter.
And we just came from a free improv class. So when I was telling you guys that I was going to go to earlier, we did it, and it was actually, I thought it was fun. What did you think?
And it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. You feel like there's this pressure, but it actually was really relaxed and pretty organic, and just a good time.
I think what's so interesting, like one of the things that like I took away from it is that like in improv is not really about trying to be funny. It's literally just being yourself, because I noticed there was times where like I was saying things and I wasn't even thinking like, oh, is this gonna be funny, but people would laugh and I'm like, wait, y'all laughing? I was just being serious. I was just being myself. Like, what's
like
going
when you're
on?
talking about hair, like, no, you can't touch your hair. Everybody's like, no, for real.
But that's like that's my real everyday experience. So I didn't understand why people were laughing, but it was cool though. I think it was great. The teacher was awesome, and I'm definitely gonna check out one of the free classes. So I'm so glad we did this.
Yeah, me too.
Make sure you guys follow her. Can you tell them a little bit about Danny Dares?
Yeah, of course. So I'm Danny Dares. My friends like to call me a fun ambassador. Pretty much I like to do adventures around New York City and beyond and take the lessons that we get from adventure and apply them to our real lives. So I like to do like things like flying trapeze and figure out how to take leaps in real life, like leaving a job, trying a new career, whatever that may be. So figuring it all out as I go and seeing the fun in that and finding the fun literally in every day. I want y'all to do the same thing.
Make sure you guys follow her. I think I read on your website, it said like, I'm the friend that always wants to do something crazy and don't have friends to go with. And I'm like, that's me. Like,
that's why when you DM me like, hey, do you want to do improv class? I'm like, yeah.
So yeah, make sure you guys follow her. And if you are ever in New York, make sure you check out the free improv class at Magnet Theater, I think. So yeah, I'll put the information down below. Bye guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you head over to my website, SOULBEAUTYCHAT.com, and sign up for the free 7-day prayer journaling challenge. This challenge is designed to help you finally get clarity on your purpose and help you stick to a prayer routine. I pray that it is a blessing to you on your journey.